Hi, I'm Ron C. Leonard and welcome to eBits. I'm the Director of Engineering for eSwitch, and today I'd like to introduce to you our TL6340 series tact switch. The TL6340 is a small, right-angled surface mount product that has a footprint around 2.9 by 3.9 millimeters, and it's 2 millimeters high. The actuator centerline is only 0.8 millimeters off the PCB surface, making it a great choice for applications where space is limited, such as small handheld devices or wearables. The TL6340 is a single-pole, single-throw momentary tact switch. It has an actuation force of 160 grams, and it carries an IP67 rating for dust and moisture protection. The TL6340 has a cycle life rating of 200,000 cycles with a total travel of 0.2 millimeters. This switch also has an industrial level operating and storage temperature range going from -40 degrees C to a +85 degrees C. For more information on the TL6340 series or any of our other eSwitch products, please visit our website at e-switch.com, and thank you so much for watching.